Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn about how to make a Kenyan beaded bracelet. Welcome. So the things that you'll require are a 0.3 fishing line. That one, we have it here. I hope you can see it. 0.3 millimeters fishing line. Next you'll need a nail cutter for cutting the fishing line. There you have it. You'll also need beads. We prefer stringed beads, which the Kenyan flag has got 4 colors, which are black, white, red, and green. For those of us who know what these colors mean, kindly give me the meaning of these colors on the comments below. Thank you. So now we start. You take fishing line, you cut it to approximately, like, give or take 16 inches. After cutting your fishing line, you now pour your beads into your plate. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please use this time to subscribe and like the channel. Also, you can comment and tell us what you'd love to see more on the next videos. Thank you. So you hold both ends of the fishing line, and then you pick. We can start with black today. You can start with one black, then you pick because we are going to make a width of 5, you're going to add more blacks. One black on one side, one black on the other side. Those are 3 beads. Then the final bead is going to be a black one. You pick the black one and then you crisscross. Crisscrossing, I mean you make sure you put the fishing line from the right side through to the left side via the one bead, and then you pull the bead down to make a star like that. I hope you can see that. It's quite clear. Okay, something like that. I hope everyone has got something like that. And then go to the next one. You put white bead on the right side, white bead on the left side. Then you pick a red one, the one that you'll use to crisscross, like that. Then you pull, you hold both ends of the fishing line, and then you pull the red down like that. Then next you pick one bead on the right, one bead on the left. Then you pick red on the right side and then red on the left side. Then you add another red one. Then on the final red one you crisscross, and then you pull your fishing line down. I hope you can see what we have on the screen. That's how it's supposed to look like. Then now you take one white one on the right side, one white one on the left side. Then you pick a final green bead, then you crisscross. I hope you're all together. Now you pick one green on the right side, one green on the left side, and then you add another green on the right side, and then you crisscross. Mark that this time you have 2 on the right side and 1 on the left side. So the one that is on the left side is the one that you're going to crisscross on, because we are making a corner. And then you pull. That's it. I hope you have something like that. I hope we can all remember how to count the heads. That's makes the width. We count them like this. This is 1 on the green, 1 white. That makes 3 on the red, 4 on the white, 5 on the black. That makes the width to be of 5 heads. Okay, then we continue. You take now, because you're on the green, you take one green on the right hand side, and then you add another green on the right hand side, and then you take a green on the left hand, and then you crisscross with the final green which was on the left, and then you pull it. You should have something like this. I hope everyone is like this at this time. And then here you need to be quite careful. You pick the fishing line. You need to slowly, using your left hand, or the fishing line on your left hand side, and then you pass it through the white bead, one white bead. You don't pick the white bead, just the white bead that was already there. You pass it through there, and the thing should look like this now once you've passed it. Then you take white on the right side and also red on the same right side, and then you crisscross with the right side, the red, like that, and then you pull. I hope you can see what we have now. Yeah, like that. Then you pass the fishing line on the left side through the red bead on the left side from the bottom. Then you pick one red bead from the right side, one red bead again from the right side to make it 2 beads. Then the final bead you use to crisscross from the left side. I hope we've all understood how this procedure goes. That's how you do it. So you continue the same process. You put the fishing line on the left side through the black bead, and now you are at another corner. So you put a white bead on the right side, and then a black bead on the right side again. Okay, we haven't reached the corner, so then you crisscross on the top. You repeat the same process. Action. I hope we are all at that point now.